Yo, what's happening? It's your man, OG Bo Beats TV. Coming to you today with another special video. What's good? What's happening, YouTube? It's your man, OG Bo Beats. And I hope everybody out there is having a great day, a blessed day, a wonderful day. I'm here today with a quick video. I want to talk about what just went down in the NBA. And I got something to review that I just got in the mail, and we're going to get into it. So before we do that, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share the video, you know what I'm saying? Tell a friend to subscribe, whatever. And we're gonna get right into it, man. OG Bo Beats. All right, so boom, check it out. This just in. The Milwaukee Bucks are this year's NBA champions, all right? Led by the Greek Freak, we beat Phoenix in a 6-game series where we lost the first 2 games and then we won 4 straight, all right? Giannis capped off the Game 6 victory with 50 points. 50 points. And we hadn't won a championship in 50 years since 1971 when Kareem Abdul-Jabbar, or back then Lou Alcindor was his name, and Oscar Robertson were on the team. So it's a big win for the city of Milwaukee. The Milwaukee Bucks are my home team. I grew up going to Milwaukee Bucks games. So I'm very excited about it. I wish I could have been there in the Deer District and see it all go down. So just so you know, originally from the South, but as a young kid, I moved up north and we settled in a town called Racine, Wisconsin, which is basically right below Milwaukee. It's a 20-minute drive on the highway, if that. I've worked in Milwaukee. I went to college in Milwaukee for some years. So I know the city like the back of my hand. So yes, I am taking claim to that. Everybody in that southeastern Wisconsin is taking claim to that because it was something that was much needed for our state, and I'm just glad that we got the win. It wasn't easy. This whole playoffs was crazy. A lot of injuries throughout the playoffs in the East and West Conference. We started off playing against the Miami Heat, who we swept in the first round. They beat us last year, so we got that revenge back and knocked them out. Second round, we played against the New Jersey Brooklyn Nets with the super team with KD, Kyrie, Harden, Blake Griffin. Unfortunately for them, Harden was hurt, and then Kyrie got hurt. I think it was game 2 with the ankle injury. That pretty much sidelined him for the rest of the playoffs. That's just part of the game. You still got what's arguably the best player in the league, the best scorer ever in the NBA, Kevin Durant, on your team. And he did do his job, but at the end of the day, we came away with the series victory, and we were able to move on to the Eastern Conference Finals, right, where we played against the Atlanta Hawks, who had been playing great this whole playoffs. First game, we took an L at home, right? It was looking kind of crazy. Trae Young did his thing, and then he went on to get hurt. I think it was game 2. But Giannis also got hurt in that series, hyperextended his knee, and everybody thought it was over for us. But Chris Middleton and Drew Holiday, along with Brook Lopez, was able to put together some impressive performances, and we were able to knock the Hawks off. All right, so here we are in the NBA Finals, playing against the Phoenix Suns with fan favorite, pretty much, Chris Paul. One of the, arguably top 5 point guards in the league. Finally made it to the finals after 16 years in the league. And pretty much everybody on Twitter, on TV, on social media was pulling for Chris Paul. I'm a big fan of Chris Paul, but I was going for the home team. So it just was what it was. First 2 games, we came out flat, and they were looking pretty sharp, pretty determined. And we lost the first 2 games. We down 0-2. And we go back to Milwaukee, and then we basically won 4 straight games. Like I said, Giannis had 50 points that last game, won the Finals MVP, and we brought the trophy home. So I'm proud of my home team. Glad we was able to pull it off. With that being said, I got something to show y'all. I just opened it up. I had to re-record the video because I guess the last one wasn't recording. But nonetheless, check this out. Just got this in the mail yesterday, and got this Milwaukee Bucks t-shirt with the Giannis picture on there with the MVP. All right, check that out. 2-time MVP, Defensive Player of the Year, and now Finals MVP. On the back of the shirt, got a little saying on the back of the shirt, Greek free. All right, I'll let you read that if you can see it. All right, check that out. So, quick little pickup off Nike. Paid about 25, 26 bucks for the shirt with the discount. I actually ordered some Milwaukee Bucks team shorts, but when I got them, the extra large was like a medium, so I had to return those. And if they still have a double X, once they refund the money, I might get the double X. But you know, nice little something to go with this victory. So with that being said, quick discussion. And this been going on since the you know, we won the championship a few days ago, and everybody's talking about who is the best player in the league right now. So a lot of people are saying, you know, obviously the top 3 picks: LeBron, KD, and Giannis. All right, so here's my take on that. Okay, LeBron is one of my all-time favorites. He's number 2 all-time to me, right under Michael Jordan. Okay, I think he's gonna win the scoring title and eventually take that number 1 spot for all-time leading scorer, 4 championships. But he's in his 18th season. He's getting up there in age. He's starting to get injury prone. And this year they took an L in the first round due to probably AD being injured, right? But now we kind of finding out that the team had some issues. Players was arguing. I don't think it was the best Lakers team. I like the team from last year a lot better. All right, then you got KD. 7-foot prolific scorer, 7-footer with point guard skills, shooter, just everything, right? Unstoppable. The thing about it is, also he's a 2-time NBA champion. We beat him this year, so I don't understand how you can call somebody that you beat better than you. I mean, yeah, he's got more skill, but we're talking about who's the winner, who's the champion, who's the reigning best person in the league. So in my opinion, it's Giannis, right? 27 years old, like I said, 2-time MVP, Defensive Player of the Year, Finals MVP, won his first championship. He was the 15th pick in the 2013 NBA draft. I mean, and all of the players in front of him, I don't think anybody's won a championship. I think the player that's done the best that was in front of him was probably CJ McCollum. The number 1 pick that year, Anthony Bennett, was a complete bust. Okay, so Giannis did his thing. He's top dog right now, and I think we got to give him his props. You know, I'm not worried about the Bucks repeating, because the way the league is set up now with all these super teams, who knows who's going to win year to year. As you can see, this year it came down to injury and basically survival of the fittest. You can't say that, oh, so-and-so was injured. If so-and-so wasn't injured, you know, it wouldn't have happened. It happened like it happened. This is what was meant to happen. And, you know, we got the NBA championship title in the city of Milwaukee. So Giannis, to me right now, is the best player in the league. He did it without a super team, because Chris Middleton and Jrue Holiday are not superstar players, okay? So no super team. He did it through hard work, through a lot of, you know, just continue to play through this, play through that, all of the talk, and we did it. So with that being said, let me know what you think about who the best player in the league is right now. Right? Leave a comment down below, and we can have a discussion. All right, so make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, holla at your boy, man. OG Bo Beats TV. I'm out. Peace.